Hello and welcome to Powerful PowerPoint. In this session, we'll be covering how to add videos to your presentations. Now let's have a look at some of the ways that we can insert videos into our PowerPoint presentations. So as you see here, we've got a slide and we have some quick options which we can do to fill content onto the slide. Now here on the bottom left, we have insert video. If you click on that, you get to insert videos from your documents that you have locally on your PC. So if I click on this one and hit insert, PowerPoint will then insert that media and then we'll look to optimize the content of that media as well. Now, if you think it's taking too long to optimize that content, you can hit escape. Or you can hit cancel, which is on screen, and this can take a moment or two. Once it has finished optimizing, it will appear something like this. And here you'll get the video format tab in your ribbon appear. And in here you can play the video, you can look for corrections to change the contrast, the brightness. You can even change the color, so if we want it a bit more plum-like or green, we can also do that here. If you want to insert a poster frame, you can do that, or to reset the design, you can also do that. So if we have a look at making this plum, making this brighter, if we reset the design, it goes back to how it originally came in. You can add styles or borders around the edge. So as you see here, we've clicked one and it's sort of soft edged it. And you can play around with video effects and presets, borders as well, shapes that you want it in, such as an arrow, which might be a good option, or really bad if it's not going to show you what you need. And if you hit reset design, it sets it back as well. To make the video more accessible, you can add some alternative text, or you can just mark it as decorative if it is something that is decorative on the slide. Now you also have some selection elements, so you can either make it appear in front, behind objects, rotate it, flip it. You can do a lot of things with it. And if you want to get rid of elements, you can also crop to remove them as well. But note that it will make it potentially slightly more difficult if you're cropping out half of the video screen. You also have a playback section in the ribbon. Now, after you click on playback, you can do a few things. You can add bookmarks to your videos. You can trim them. So if you want it to remove like the first 5, 10, 20, 30 minutes, however long. And you can also trim starting times, ending times, things that you may actually need. So if we want to have a look at a specific section in, for example, Judge Judy's interview here, you can do that as well. Once you click OK, it will trim it to that specific duration. You can also add fades in and out. So let's do one for 2 minutes. We're going to mute it. So if we hit play, we can see it fades in from the video being still into the actual video playing. You can also adjust the volume, so whether you want it mute, low, medium or high. You can also get it to play when it's clicked, automatically when it gets to that slide, or when it's clicked on. You can play it full screen, hide it while it's not playing, loop it until it's stopped, or rewind it after playing. You can also insert captions. So here you can grab that from somewhere local, but if you don't have any, you don't have to add any. But you can also save media as well. So if you hit the save media as, you get it pop up with a save media as window. I'm going to save it to videos and I'm just going to save it as media 1 and it will export it for you. We're going to add in another slide and we're going to add in a different sort of video. Now I'm going to just stop design suggestions. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to insert and then we're going to go to video. If we click on that, we then get this device, which we've already done, stock videos and online videos. So if I click on stock videos, If you're a Microsoft 365 subscriber, you get full access to the content and creative content library. So for example, if I want to add in this sort of wintry view and hit insert, then what it's going to do is download the video. And then if I hit play, you can see the snow on the image falls. So it's a stock video. We can even add online videos. So if I go to video and then online videos, here we can see that it supports YouTube, SlideShare and Vimeo. And here we will paste in the URL that we want of the video. So I'm just going to paste in this URL for a video and it will show you a preview. And then you can play it.
Hello and welcome.
And you can skip along as well to see more about that video, just to double check it is the right video you want to add. And once you're happy, hit insert and PowerPoint will begin inserting that media. So if I want to make this a bit bigger, for example, I can also do that. And if you hit the big play button, it will start beginning to load that, and you can have a look at the quality and increasing that so you get it in a better quality. And let's have a look at how this works in PowerPoint full screen mode. And whilst you're in full screen presentation mode, if I hit play, it begins playing the video for me. You can turn off subtitles, you can increase the quality again, and then you can play the video to go through the content you wish to show. Stay tuned for more powerful PowerPoint.